We're going to get to Sterling and Bucks, and he's going to learn something better.
Oh, there's the pilot
Yeah.
in a carnival magic.
Did you have 6 or 9 ounce, babe?
I think it was like up to there. Probably they were giving me 6. I'll take a 9.
I'll take 6. Matthew, look this way. Yeah. Do you want to order your dinner, bud, or do you want to wait? You can wait.
I'm gonna have a French dip sandwich, please. Oh, there's that horn. Oh, it's loud even through the headphones.
Matthew, one more time.
Matthew, look at your dad real quick.
I sure hope the sheriff likes that.
They wave. They're waving at you.
Oh, I knew that one was coming.
Yeah. And a lot of times when they start coming out, then the dolphins, remember how the dolphins jump at the end of the boat? Because they like the wave. Wave.